children are very young, is it a good idea to change them quite often to prevent redness and irritation? Use warm water and mild detergent, or if you're away from home, baby wipes for sensitive skin. Remember that with girls, cleansing should be done from front to back, so as not to move bacteria or dirt towards the genitalia. Dry your child by patting the skin gently, especially in the folds, but without rubbing. Wait a few minutes before putting the nappy on the child, allowing the skin to breathe freely. Then apply a little cream. Use a soothing and protective ointment made of zinc oxide. It is the best for alleviating irritation. And now it's time for the nappy.